Good morning, class 4 students. How are you? I hope you are all well. Now I am also well. Let's learn social studies. Lesson 4, the Northern Plains, page 23 to 27. You have to learn the location of Northern Plains. The Northern Plains extends from Punjab to Assam. From Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. Okay. There are many major states included in Northern Plains. Okay. The major rivers. Okay. The major rivers shows on the Northern Plains like Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra, and they have many tributaries. Okay. And now you have to learn the word basin. What is basin? Basin means an area watered by a river and their tributaries. Tributaries means, do you know the term tributary? Tributary means the branches of the main river. So basin, an area watered by a river and their tributaries. Look at the pictures given in your book. Like if this is the river, these are the branches of the river. This place here is also some place. This place is called basin. Is that clear? This is the basin. So three rivers and three major basins like Indus basin, Ganga basin and Brahmaputra basin. Okay. Next you have to learn the term tributary. Tributary means a small river that merges into a big river. So tributary means a small river that merges into a big river. যে ছোট ছোট রিভার গুলো বড় রিভারের সাথে গিয়ে মেশে, that is called tributary. Okay. Now crops on the northern plains. Remember the Indus plain, Ganga plain, the Indus basin, Ganga basin and Brahmaputra basin are very fertile because of alluvial soil. During flood, these rivers carries seed, okay, alluvial soil, and these lands become fertile due to this river, and this is very appropriate for crops. Like the crops in Indus plain are like oil seeds, millets, rice, jute, etc. Ganga basin, especially rice, jute, okay, sugarcane. These are the crops of Ganga basin and Brahmaputra. Rice and jute are the main crops of Brahmaputra basin. Okay. So these are the crops. Origin of Ganga. Ganga কোথা থেকে উৎপত্তি হয়েছে? Okay. The Ganga originates from the Gangotri glacier. Okay. This is the origin of river Ganga, and when it reaches West Bengal, it divides into two branches. One is Hooghly and the other is Padda, and the Padda flows to Bangladesh, enters Bangladesh, and it merges with the river Jamuna. Jamuna is the main branch of river Brahmaputra, and finally they merges into the Bay of Bengal and make their Sundarban Delta. It is the largest delta in the world. Okay. River Brahmaputra and river Indus river, especially a large part of Pakistan. Okay, Indus river especially flows into the large part of Pakistan and also some part of India. Next, river Brahmaputra originates in Tibet. Okay, the neighbor country of India. It originates in Tibet, and the name of Brahmaputra river in Tibet is Sangpo. Is that clear? This is the river and their basins. You have to learn carefully. Okay. Now some question answers. And another topic for you, river pollution given in your book. Especially the factories come up in at the site of each river. So the factories issues space the factories create pollution in the rivers. Okay, and a plan like Ganga Action Plan has been taken. Now, first question for you. Fill in the blanks. The river that is not a tributary of river Indus. The answer is river Yamuna. Okay, you have to do the answer. The answers are given in your worksheet. So memorize the answers carefully. And another important, and here are also some question given to it yourself, like name the dam built on river Satluj. The Bhakranagal Dam has been built on river Satluj. You have to do the question answers yourself and read this passage carefully, especially the points and the names of the rivers and their tributaries. Okay. Thank you. Okay.